Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for tuning in with me today. We are going to do another product review. I'm going to show you different products that I got from Village Craft and Candles. So I previously filmed the video, but I wanted to fix it up and do it a little bit better. So what I got in this collaboration with Village Craft and Candles is they sent me a bunch of their candle jars and lids. So I'm going to go over everything with you and tell you what the price is. Some of the words, I don't read them properly. If it's part of my ADHD, my reading and spelling is not 100% sometimes. So bear with me on that. So here is the first candle jars. These ones here are 10 ounce. The name for them is TERRA. Glasses. So yeah, 10 ounce, and for a dozen of them, it is $34.49, and this is Canadian pricing as well. These are really cute containers. When I go and make them, I am going to film as well, and I will post shorts of them as well when I have them done and have them labeled. For these ones here, the lids that come with it, so are these ones here. They are, one second, they are called, I'm not 100% sure, I'll be completely honest, if these are the proper lids. So they sent me 4 things of candles, 4 things of lids. So these ones here are the Lux ACACIA is the proper name for them. They're 3 ounce lids. They are really cute on there. I do have to do a little bit of research and find ones that sit in there securely. I know for a lot of people with these type of containers, a lot of people don't put lids on them anyway. So some of them I may not be putting lids on them myself, and maybe that was a part of what they wanted as well. I'm going to try these on a second container that I have when I get to it and show you. So sorry for all the confusion. Bear with me. If you guys have any questions, you can definitely leave them in the comments below anyway, and then I can answer them to the best of my ability. And also, this video will be shared over on their YouTube page, and I will leave the link below where you can go and purchase any supplies if you were looking to buy candle supplies and start your own business as well. So the second jar they sent me is my favorite. It's my matte black look. All my tins are matte black right now, my 8 and 4 ounce tins. So this is one that I'm definitely going to be repurchasing, and this is going to be a new staple in my collection of candles that I make. So this one here is their Lux 9 ounce jars. I'm going to be getting their 4 ounce and 15 ounce that look like this as well. For the smaller ones, I probably will use the lid. So the lid that come with them, well, actually, the price on these first is $39.99 for 12 for a case, and these black lids can come with it as well. So I love the combination together. It's just perfect. And these are wooden lids, and these wooden lids are, so these are $32.99 for 12 of these. So, and they fit on there really snug and look so sleek and perfect. I love this. And a lot of people do compliment me on my black containers now with the type of labels that I create. They're nice and bright. My Miss Maggie keeps on crying, wanting my attention, but she can't get it right now. Okay, so next in line, these ones here, these next two are their glass jars. So the first one I am going to show you the name of it. I'm not going to try to butcher it. Is APOTHECARY. And these are 13 ounce candle jars, and they're $39.99 as well. So there they are. I think these would be so cute as a centerpiece. And they come with a cork lid. So the opening here is a little bit smaller compared to normal. I hope. So yeah, these here come with a smaller opening, and these are the cork. lids for them. I think that would be so cute. Also, another thing I could see with these candle jars is someone that created like a nice scene on the inside. You could still use this as a centerpiece if you weren't looking to create candles on the inside of them. And the glass is quite, it's thick, it's semi-thick, but I think that would be so cute. Okay, and then cork lids are $17.99 for 12. And I think I said it already, $39.99 for a dozen of them jars. The next jars that I'm coming up with is the Lux Traditional. So they are a 10-ounce glass clear jar. So there they are there. And the lids that come with these is their Lux Metal 3-inch. They come in a pack of 12 as well. So there is the lids for them. With this one here, the lids for 12 of them is $29.99. And the jars are $23.49. So they are on the lower end for cost pricing. I'm just not 100% with using the clear glass yet, so that's why I'm going to film myself when I do it. I've did mason jars before, the clear ones, and I haven't mastered down like the bubbling, so sometimes you can see a bubble on the inside. And I'm sorry if you hear the dog crying. She's been outside a lot today. It's just she wants all the attention all the time. And it's really hard for me to work when I'm home alone. Even when I'm home with my husband, I still can't work because if I'm in a different room, it's never ending. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little kind of like an unboxing because I haven't used any yet, but I will be filming myself as I use them to show you exactly how I do things, and show you what they look like after they're solidified and the candle is fully finished as well, and give you my honest feedback as I go. But I just wanted to do the little unboxing to get that out of the way and show you guys. These candle jars that they have are amazing so far from what I've seen. And I am actually getting ready to place an order. I'm working on an order on my computer right now, actually. And I want to be able to switch everything over to the matte black look and also the clay ones that I showed you at the beginning. I think I'm going to be keeping them for certain fragrances and just to give people another option, right? But basically my color scheme is the matte black. So hopefully you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me what your favorite candle jar was that I shared with you. And I will catch you in my next one. Have a great day.